Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the Blitzwolf BW-FYE4. These are truly wireless Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds with a charging case. So inside the box you get a little user manual, you get a little happy face or sad face if there's anything wrong for customer service. I'm currently happy face, so we like that. So here's the case and the headphones. So they're inside this. That's quite light, it's plastic. It has a battery inside the case. This is a micro USB port. I would have liked the case to be made out of metal, but for the price it's a really good deal. So here are the fully wireless Bluetooth 5.0 headphones. Shows that there's currently one level charge left in the case. That's because I've recharged these earbuds multiple times. That's the left earbud, this is the right one. They automatically pair with each other when you take them out of the box the first time, and they want to pair with your device right away. So here's the case, it's very simple. LED light to show you the charge level. You can use just one headphone or both. If you use just one, it's just like if you're using a normal single mono headset. Inside the side box, you get the USB charging cable. And you get different earpieces. I've used this on flights. It's not noise canceling, but it's definitely takes out a lot of the engine noise. Even though there's no active noise canceling, it's regular noise canceling. These fit well in my ears. I have a weird shape to the inner ear, so these actually do quite well, but if you need different sizes, here they are. They're very comfortable for up to, I've worn them up to 5.5 hours at a time. They say max playtime is 4.5 hours, so I did have to take them out and recharge. And that's what you do, you just pop them in here. It has a fast charge mode. About 5 or 10 minutes. You get a little over an hour extra, or 2 hours extra of use. So on the box, you can see it's Bluetooth 5.0. About 4.5 hour runtime, 20-hour playtime when you use the box to recharge. Each headphone has about 50 milliamps, and the box itself, the charging box, has 500 milliamp. So this is the Blitzwolf fully wireless Bluetooth charging headphones. I do like how they work, and because of the magnets, they just stick right back in here. And they automatically turn off charging when they're done being charged. So the power in the box doesn't just go all the way out. This is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.